Deposition is basically, you know, we all see the courtroom drama as you're sitting on the stand and getting grilled by the attorney. Deposition is basically like you're in an office room. You're at a table. They got a camera set up. You might have seen it on, like, if you watch Suits. I think that's one of the greatest shows ever. But that and Vikings. But anyway, I digress. So you're at the table. It's kind of like being in court, but there's no judge, there's no jury, there's no courtroom. But it's just as, holds just as much gravity because it's all being recorded and whatever you're saying is definitely going to be used against you in a court of law. So if you're ever deposed, you got to treat that like court, and your counsel will prepare you for that before you're deposed. And then possible trial. That can happen too. You may actually be put on a stand. So we have to be ready for those things if they do happen. Now, we're going to shift gears a little bit here, and we're going to dive into a real case. I guess I need to be looking over here too. I didn't realize we had all these people over here. We're going to dive into a real case. This is not made up. It's an actual case that we as legal nurses have had. We've changed some of the details, some of the names, ages, things like that, but they're pretty tight, pretty close to still give us a really good idea, but we have to protect HIPAA as well. But we're going to walk through a real case that we got. We're going to tell you some of the details of what happened, and then you guys are going to break out into breakout sessions, and I'll tell you what's going to happen there in just a minute. So let me introduce this case to you.